In this video, we're unboxing the heavy-duty truck wheel bearing seal driver kit. The kit includes 5 round driver discs. These are used to install the seal. 2 guide extension rods with mounting nuts and washers. This kit is specifically designed to press the bearing seal squarely and smoothly into the bore without damaging it. It replaces hit squarely. Avoid hitting the oil seal, as it may become misaligned and deformed. The kit comes with 5 different sized round driver discs. They match different outer diameters of axle bearing seals. This ensures the force is applied evenly without tilting. 2 guide extension rods with mounting nuts and washers. After assembling through the workpiece, used with a jack or a big torque-threaded screw assembly, press into the seal end straight and smooth. The whole kit covers common heavy-duty truck sizes. Now let's move on to how to use this kit. First, choose the correct driver disc. Take out the guide rods. There are 2 types of guide rods. One has a solid back, the other one has a hollow back. On the hollow rod, install a washer on top of the hollow end first. Then install the driver disc. The side of the driver disc with the recess faces outward. The other side is the side that contacts the seal. Install the nut and tighten the driver disc. Then install the remaining guide rod into the assembly. Next, we can start to install the seal. When installing, first place the seal onto the driver disc. Once the seal is seated properly, install the seal smoothly and squarely. Installation complete.